it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be doing a review on some products I'm excited to try. Can you see? These products were provided by StyleFactor. Oh, I'm so excited. I've been using their edge control for a while now, and I really love this product. It's their gel, the pineapple scent. Excited to try this. Also, their leave-in conditioner. It's a pineapple scent as well. And the curling cream. This is the curling conditioning gel. And a new scent of the edge control. This is coconut banana. Starting with the leave-in conditioner, the Detangling leave-in conditioner. It's a liquid consistency, so everything that's liquid I always shake. It smells good. It smells so good. It's really lightweight and it smells good. So of course I haven't tried the gel yet. My first time trying it, but from what I heard, this is really thick. So I believe this will pair great with the gel. Because if the gel is heavy, I don't want a heavy leave-in conditioner on top of it. I don't want my hair to be way down too much. I feel really good. Okay, so the next product is the curling conditioning gel. It says pump onto hands and apply a small amount of the product onto wet, dry, or damp hair. Rake through hair with fingers or comb for even distribution, style as desired. Let's see. Because I'm hoping it's not going to be too heavy. I'm going to try it on this small section because I want to use the gel. Oh, it's like a conditioner. So I'll use it. It has good slip. I wouldn't consider it a gel, but it's a conditioning gel. Okay. I like the way it feels. It does feel like it's conditioning my hair. I don't know about the gel part, but it feels good. Like it could be a great detangler and a conditioner. Alright, so the moment I've been waiting for. My hands are slippery. So this is a nice size bottle of gel. And it comes with a little spoon on the top to scoop it out. Open! My hands are so slippery. Oh, it smells so good. Alright, let's see how this is going to go. Good consistency. I usually don't do too many gels when I wash and go. So let's see how this is going to turn out. So this is thick. Well, maybe this is great. It might help to elongate your curls if that's what you like. You don't want your hair to be shrunken. Your first day wash and go. I'm not going to do any shingling or anything like that. I'm just separating. Look pretty good. Excuse my makeup. It was a long day. Pay attention to my head. Try not to look at that spot on my forehead, okay? Like I said, excuse my makeup. It has great clumpage, I will say that. I think I'm gonna like it. So far so good. Alright, I'm gonna go off camera and finish putting the product throughout my head, and I'll be back. I'm back. I'm finished my whole head. You see those curls? I'm gonna let my hair dry and I'll be back to show you how it looks after it's dry. I really like the curls. It's so pretty. Alright, I'll be back when they dry. My hair is nowhere near dry, but I wanted to talk about the products. So, the Detangling leave-in conditioner, it was pretty cool. It was very lightweight. I like the product because sometimes when you do a certain style, like if I do long curls, I wouldn't want to use a heavy leave-in conditioner. So this is a good option I would use. And I really like this one. This is a curling conditioning gel. I like this product. It has good slip. Let me show you how it looks. Like, it has really great slip. Oh, I love it. So I would really consider this more of a detangler than the actual than this detangling leave-in conditioner. I think this is more of a detangler, but I like the way it felt. I like how it helped to detangle my hair. I guess I could put this in my hair. I don't like the waste product. And the main attraction, the gel. I love, of course, the way it smells. And it's really thick, but paired with the other products, I don't mind because everything else was light and the gel was the heaviest thing. And I think since it's so thick, it helps to elongate my curls because usually when I do a wash and go, my hair shrinks up a lot. Even though it's not dry completely, it would have been still shrunken if I would use some other products. And it has my curls popping. Do you see that? And it smells good. Alright, so the last product I'll be using is the Coconut Banana Edge Control. Smell it. This smells like annihilator. I don't think they had they don't have coconut annihilators, but it smells like the banana annihilator. Now or later, whatever the candy's called. I'm quite sure somebody's gonna be in the comments correcting what I said. Whatever, it's a piece of candy. Alright, so let me lay my edges down. Oh, it smells so good. I get to sniff it. Oh, dang. And with the edge control, you don't need a lot at all. A little goes a long way. Why everybody else could get the edges to lay right, but for some reason, they don't want to cooperate with me. I'll be back tomorrow to show you how my curls look dry. One last look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. What's wrong? No, it ain't. What time is it? Are you serious? All right.